How's it going, my swirly toad gang, or swirly gang?
Hey.
Got my brother, he's special appearance.
What's up?
Today, we are gonna be smashing soda, okay? Smashing soda. You know, I'm trying to cut it out so I can get rid of all this. But yeah, it's gonna be good. We've got our ammo. We've got Pepsi and Cherry Coke, Mountain Lightning, and Dr. Pepper.
Alright,
let's get it.
Let's do this.
Ready on?
Ready.
Ooh, alright. See ya. Disgusting.
I want to hit
Alright.
another one now.
No, not my turn now.
Alright, fine. We'll
Take
see.
turns. Alright.
Go.
What? Got my eyes and mouth.
That was a good hit.
Wait.
Oh yeah, chug it.
Oh, it's delicious. Oven's always in our way. Always. Wait, I didn't shake your nut. Yeet! Oh, no, it busted.
This guy threw it in the air and dropped it and it busted.
It's alright. There's still some action left in there.
That was bad. Alright, I'm PewDiePie. This is PewDiePie. And that's T-Series.
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
That was a
That got all over me. All my shirt is soaking wet.
Whoa. There's no drinking from this one.
Oh my gosh. Alright, Alan, I'd say this was a successful video. I am sorry about it being a little short. I've just been pretty busy. That was lay down. One more for the fans. Smash your phone. I'm just kidding.
I missed.
Alright. See you guys later.
See you, Logan Paul gang.
My shirt is soaking wet. Oh crap. Mayday, mayday. Need a medic.